Hello friends, today in this video we are going to learn about lungs and how do they function. Lungs. Lungs are the respiratory organs which occupy the greater part of the thoracic cavity. Lungs are covered by double layered pleura with pleural fluid between them. It reduces friction on the lung surface. The outer pleural membrane is in close contact with the thoracic lining, whereas the inner pleural membrane is in contact with the lung surface as seen in the video. The outer part, starting with the external nostrils up to the terminal bronchioles, constitute the conducting part, whereas the alveoli and their ducts form the respiratory or exchange part of the respiratory system. Now let us see the role of lungs in providing oxygen to the whole body. When we inhale air, it enters through the nostrils and through the nasal chamber. Inhale air comes into your nose or mouth and then your windpipe, also called trachea. At the end of the trachea are two large tubes called bronchi. They lead to two large organs responsible for breathing, called lungs. One bronchus goes to the left lung and the other one to the right lung. The lungs inhale air with the help from your chest muscles and diaphragm, a dome-shaped muscle under the lungs. As you breathe in, your diaphragm contracts and flattens out, and this allows the lungs have more to expand as they fill up the air. When you exhale, everything happens in reverse and the air goes out as the way it came in. And now, the lungs have tons of these smaller and smaller size tubes called bronchioles, which can be as small as the thickness of a hair. Now, these bronchioles leads to a cavities or capillaries called alveoli. Alveoli are the one where the oxygen from the air we breathe gets absorbed into the blood. Alveoli are tiny sacs at the end of each bronchiole. There are about 600 million alveoli in lungs. Each has mesh-like covering of very small blood vessels called capillaries. Oxygen travels into the blood through the alveoli into the tiny capillaries that surround them. There is one more thing to explain in this video is about the air which is inhaled and exhaled. The air you breathe in is different from the air you breathe out. Everybody needs oxygen to stay alive. Deep inside lungs, your body takes oxygen from the air and delivers it to the bloodstream. Then your heart will pump oxygen-rich blood to the body. Then, in order to get rid of unnecessary gases from the body, the process is reversed. And the unnecessary gases like carbon dioxide is carried by the bloodstream through the lungs. Then the lungs exhale it out of the body, which we call exhalation. The whole process is taken up by the lungs in order to keep us survive. Thank you for watching this video.